mais qu'elle est bleue, mais qu'elle est belle, mais qu'elle est belle, mais qu'elle est bleue. En moi ça me rend joyeux, mais qu'elle est bleue, mais qu'elle est belle, mais qu'elle est bleue comme tes yeux. En moi ça me rend heureux, elle est pleine de poissons, elle est pleine de poissons. Des petits, des gros, des fins, des longs et même des tout ronds. Certains vivent près du bord et d'autres vivent dans le fond. Certains sont sédentaires et d'autres changent d'horizon. Ils n'ont pas grand chose à faire, ils ne se font pas de mourants. Ils ont leurs identités moulant de style et de façon. Les petits mangent les vers et les gros les dévoreront. C'est la chaîne alimentaire, il faut que nous la respections. Mais qu'elle est bleue, mais qu'elle est belle, mais qu'elle est belle, mais qu'elle est bleue. En moi ça me rend joyeux, mais qu'elle est bleue, mais qu'elle est belle, mais qu'elle est bleue comme tes yeux.
Marseille has been founded in 600 BC and today it became the European capital of culture. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 14. I am a schoolgirl. During my free time, I draw, I write stories, and I play the piano.
My name is Julia. I'm 15. I'm a schoolgirl in Marseille. I like drawing, listening to music, dancing, and playing video games too. I'm going to present you my city with my friend.
The viewport, built since antiquity, was open on trade and colonies. Today, it's a marina and the most famous and popular meeting place for the inhabitants of Marseille. Everywhere in Marseille, peaceful places get you welcome to walk and to sit. The prefecture building is dating back to the Second Empire. It is famous as an historic monument since 1975. It's placed in the town center. Young people like to assemble on the square in front of it. Marseille is one of the cities where theaters are most numerous, 50. They show how Marseille is interested by culture. The Criers Theatre, Old Fish Market, has been created in 1981. It's a public national scene. You can do some shopping in the St. Ferrell Street, for instance. The soap factory is a traditional industry in Marseille since 1370. The olive oil was the most used ingredient. Today, only 2 trades in Marseille make the real Savon de Marseille. The Alcazar Library was converted from an ancient music hall, destroyed in 1979. It opened in 2004. The Major's Cathedral was built in a Romano-Byzantine style in the middle of the 19th century. A little train takes tourists as far as Notre-Dame-de-la-Garde. Up on a hilltop that is 147 meters high, you find Notre-Dame-de-la-Garde's basilica. From there, you can see all Marseille. François I built a fort around a chapel. The ramparts are 13 meters high. The final touches was put to the basilica in the 19th century. The Golden Virgin overhangs Notre-Dame-de-la-Garde. Its nickname is Bonne Mère, Good Mother. It's 11 meters high and weighs about 10 tons. The Fort Saint-Nicolas was built in 1660-1664 by order of Louis XIV to watch outside the city and subdue inside against anti-royalist rebellions. All along the Vieux-Port are restaurants and cafes where it's pleasant to have a drink and to rest.
Tonight I sit in the dark imagining that I was someone else 'cause I don't need.
The Hotel Radisson is placed at the end of Vieux-Port. It offers a surrounding as pleasant as the Sofitels placed in front of the Fort Saint-Nicolas. The new Hotel of Marseille, which is a restaurant too, is placed on the site of the ancient Pasteur Institute. The Tunnel National got decorated with ex voto by the artists Philippe Mouillon and Marivonne Arnaud to be more illuminated and cheerful.
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.